Mephisto a chance, just open the window. Uh-oh. You can't tell whether I'm a bird or not. Are we sure you're still fine? Let's check your temperature. You think you can dodge the thermometer? I can still get a reading. Still warm. Really? You sound even weaker than you did on the phone. You feel worse because I'm here? What do you do then? Poor thing. Tell me, how can I make you feel better? Fixing that is easy. Can you still hold on to me? Airflow's good. You'll cool down quickly. It's nice, right? Is there another difficult request? That's difficult to you? Then we'll get the same virus. I'm not good at taking care of sick people. That kiss was me projecting my feelings. I hope it wasn't too bad.